uMacele decide ukuthi aye kubo ukuthi to have a meeting or a conversation with the family regarding tombstone, because basically they put the wrong tombstone for the father and uMacele wants the right tombstone. So uMacele kuya kubo ukuhlangana nefamily yakhe. And if you remember last season, the same family that we have seen on the show or we have seen on the tally is the family le eyaya kuMseleko yatshela uMseleko ukuthi wena phela you did not finish paying and wena you wonile here and there, so you need to give us some sort of compensation, and for that they required some sheep from Umseleko. So we can basically say that now the family and Umseleko, Macele's family and Umseleko are on good terms based on what Umseleko did before.
Simphinde futhi yena kube yithina sodwa kodwa ubaba wakhe simphinde.
Ngiyabona.
Like how funny it is that, okay, with this ceremony, they want it to be a very small ceremony for the family, but there are people, of course, who need to be part of it. And well, technically, he's the husband, so yeah, you assume he is gonna be there, or basically, Velu is about present regardless. But seemingly, ngathi kumele kube khona some sort of or some approval first, or the family was not considering to have him there. But now, because Macele is saying, oh yeah, are we not gonna invite, my husband? And they carry on to say, oh, also given that, there are wives as well, what are they gonna do, or what are we gonna do about them?
Manje.
Oh mama bakwakhe niyabamema abantu.
Bokuphi? Hayibo yanda manje lento.
Kuphi?
Uthe yithina sodwa. Kuphi? Ubani umama bakwakhe?
Either for Umacele's reasons or for their reasons, because like the dynamics Macele has when it comes to Mselegu's wives, I'm not surprised by this conversation. I'm getting the sense and the drive was, oh, this is where it comes from. Basically they are wives, but they're not regarded as wives, just as she always quotes anyway, or she always says, with Mina, I'm not involved with Mselegu's wives, I'm not involved with Mselegu's wife, especially when it comes to Umayeni. I really think at this point we can see, guys, Umacele, it's so fixated to Umayeni. It's always about Umayeni this, Umayeni that. I don't know. I don't know, because this issue or this conversation or misconception, this one was supposed to be number one, and then apparently they're not number one, they're number two, or they're number three. All of that has just been going into Macele's head, and for some reason, Macele looks like doesn't have much to do, and he's just always focused in the Mayeni. I mean, you got the crown, you are number one. Why don't you leave Mayeni alone?
Bayibonile show. Bayazi ukuthi kwenzakalani.
Okay, uMakhwela wayekhona ke yena nithinike ngani?
Umakhwela phela vele owethu.
And the family has decided to love Umakwela because Umacele herself has decided, you know what, I'm going to be on Makwela's side. I'm going to like Umakwela. Makwela number one. like we definitely have to talk about Macele's character, Macele's behavior, Macele's attitude, really. We definitely have to talk about that to see, yeah. Umacele is really somebody who's like, you know what, Mina J, I am putting my eggs in one nest.
Umakhwela ngeke azasale. Ekumthandeni kwabo uMakhwela akekho noyedwa unkosikazi kaBaba uMseleko abangazange bamthande.
Well, I think that's what else can you say about your family? I really stand to disagree with that. Because, well, with what we've been saying, we can say Umayeni is one person that, well, they didn't like. We can say they don't like Mangwabe, and that has shown also with attitude ka Macele, how she has, the attitude towards them. It has shown. It is very, very visible.
kuyena kumuntu uthi ene uyayithanda yini ifamily yakacele noma cha. Hey guysin, nina kuthiwa ubaba wakhe wagula after ebone nini yini namgulisa
Samgulisa kanjani ngoba phela ingelo langa labasinika igusha sasikhuluma naye kahle.
As I have said, guys, this is the time when like vele family kaMacele noMselegu were probably having like some hiccups. So Umselegu had to keep that shape. Ukuthi abonise ukuthi no, I know I have done wrong, by your daughter, and I can correct it, or I would like to correct it. And this is how he corrected it. Wabathengela ke a shape.
Ngalo langa kwakumnandi kabi si happy.
Ubukho bethu nje babumjabulisile ngoba safezekisa iphupho lakhe lika number 5.
Akade wayifuna.
mina sengiyazi noma yini la ekhaya wrong uMacele so mase kufaka nefamily yakhe ke futhi ke.
Another thing Macele feels like everything that happens in that household definitely has to come back to her, and she needs to be blamed for that. I don't know. Do you believe that everything happening Mzumbe or in that household is basically Macele's fault? If the family is falling apart, it's basically Macele's fault. Anything that is happening in J, especially things that are not going well, it is basically Macele's fault. Do you agree with that? Because Macele here seems like, oh no, she's sounding like she's carrying a lot of weight for somebody who's always to be like blamed and blamed and blamed. Nami, I'm tired, Diabo. I'm tired. Why is it that every time I'm gonna be blamed for these things?
Okay, all is well.
Yabona mina into engase ngithi mhlambe abantu bangayisho ngathi ukuthi siyamsupporta thina bakacela futhi kufanele simsupport because akayifihlanga into yakhe yokuthi ufuna ini isithini.
Akayifihlanga.
The Cele household, Bapumela Obala, Batibona, they do support Musamselegu, and probably that is why Musamselegu likes them or, admire them more. And because before he went on, Azange, Afi he wanted to have Isembu. He said it upfront, that is what he wanted to say. But then Macele seems to disagree with that, to say, no. That is not what he said. He said it on the wedding day. Now, imagine you getting married and then your husband is now telling you that, you know what, after we get married or as we are about to embark on this journey, just know that I do want another wife. Oh my word.
Asenazi kodwa khathi kushadwa wenza kanjani?
Wena njani ukushada?
Wakhuluma ngoba naku sekukhona emshadweni. Ngoba nakhona lapho ukuthi wayeshadile hayibo. Wayeshadile noma sawu. Wayeshadile nini kuphi kanjani? I don't know.
Wayengashadanga.
So, Kushakhona, something is not clear here. The family, maybe they were aware, but the bride was not aware, or the Delta was not aware. But a lot is not clear here. Umselegu Linda Bayake or him coming up front, Abesobala regarding his tembu. Ikaleni, So, and this is why probably there's always a lot of these commotions, like a lot of things probably from the starts were not put on the table. And we as if you're not putting something on the table, things they just fall off. They just fall they just fall apart. And this is what we're seeing here, what is happening today.